Hey everybody, Gary Braun here with Pivotal Advisors, and I want to talk to sales leaders today on how to start out right in 2021. 2020 was a mess. Let's just get rid of that. Let's just say it was terrible. Let's just move on. Let's figure out how to make 2021 great. So here's a few simple tips to get you started right. Most importantly, get an achievable goal. Sometimes we go into companies and they just pass down a goal and they say, you're going to hit this much this year. If it's not achievable, don't take it. It might sound like a little bit of pushback on your boss, but yes. I mean, if you take that goal that's not achievable and you don't get there, you look terrible. If you get one and you talk about it and you have rationale behind that and it's achievable and your team buys into it and you achieve it, you're a rock star. My brother often says, it's the most important sale you make all year long is getting the right goal. So spend some time, put some rationale behind it. If you don't believe it, share that rationale with the boss. Get to a point where you both buy into that goal and now we're ready to achieve. So that's important. Step number one in our important tips. Number two, have the right team. One of the biggest reasons people miss their goal every year is they don't have enough people. You have an open territory, you got accounts that aren't being looked at. That can be a killer for hitting any type of goals at all. So, and it takes long to fill those spots, and then you got to get them up to speed and everything else. Make sure we got the right team out of the gate. We have enough people, and we have the right people in the right seats. If we need more outside people, or we need more inside people, or we need business development people to score new appointments and whatnot, get them in place. Get them in place early. Let's have the right team with the right skill sets doing the right things to achieve the goal that we just talked about. Number three, provide focus. Usually we get to this time of year and it's like, okay, that year's behind us. Let's go to our new year. Go get them, team. And we're just running around doing the same things that we've always done. That doesn't work. This was a really weird year. Our customers' priorities have changed. Everything has changed. Let's provide real clear focus for what we want them to do. What do we want them to focus on? Which clients should we focus on? Has our process changed? How should we be doing that? Set some goals around those things and have them put that into their plans. That's right. They should have a plan that they present to you too for how they achieve their goal. So that's step number three, is provide some focus, get them to have a plan. And last one's the easy one. Hold them to their plan. If you've got a goal that everybody agrees on, we got the right people, there's a plan in place, your job becomes easy. Are you executing on your plan? You said you're supposed to score 5 new opportunities a week. How are we doing? We're achieving it? Awesome. Rock on. Way to go. We're not achieving it? Okay, what do we need to change to make sure we're hitting our goals? That's the easy part. But the first 3 steps have to be in place for you to do that. So, not rocket science here. This is easy stuff. But we get so wrapped up in the day-to-day stuff that sometimes we forget it. So, 4 easy steps. See if you can execute it. Thank you for watching. If you like videos like this, please click like below. Also subscribe. We'd love to see it. And as always, if you'd like to discuss this further, give us a call. Go to our website at pivotadvisors.com. Thanks for watching.